Let's recreate Molly Mae's nails using dipping powder. Essential tools you will need. Apply base. Sprinkle Oh Baby on the top half of the nail. Tap panna cotta onto the bottom half of the nail to create an ombre effect. Brush off any excess powder and repeat the process 3 times or more if needed. Dip into clear to protect the nail when you file. Apply activator, file, buff, and activate again. Stay with me, we are nearly finished. Top coat time. Let's moisturize those dry cuticles. Ooh, yummy!